Have you ever finished a tough workout, feeling that satisfying burn in your muscles, only to wonder how your body actually repairs and grows stronger from it? Or perhaps you've noticed yourself reaching for a protein shake after a long day, hoping it will help you recover and stay energized. These everyday moments highlight something deeper at play within us, a quiet hero in our biology that powers those changes. In today's world, where fitness trends flood our social feeds and wellness influencers tout the latest supplements, leucine has emerged as a star player in conversations about health and strength. This amino acid, once a niche topic among scientists, now appears in gym lockers, vegan meal plans, and even anti-aging discussions. With more people embracing active lifestyles, plant-based eating, and a focus on longevity, understanding leucine feels timely. It's not just about building biceps, it's about supporting our bodies in a fast-paced era where stress, sedentary jobs, and processed foods can undermine our natural resilience. Culturally, leucine ties into ancient practices too, like the protein-rich diets of early hunters and gatherers, evolving into modern rituals such as post-yoga smoothies or family meals centered around hearty legumes. At its core, leucine is one of the 9 essential amino acids our bodies cannot produce on their own, meaning we must obtain it through what we eat. Think of amino acids as the building blocks of proteins, which form everything from our skin to our enzymes. Leucine stands out because of its branched structure, grouping it with isoleucine and valine as branched-chain amino acids. This unique shape allows it to bypass the liver and head straight to our muscles, where it kickstarts vital processes. When you consume leucine, it enters your bloodstream and signals a pathway called mTor, short for mechanistic target of rapamycin. This pathway acts like a master switch, activating the machinery inside muscle cells to assemble new proteins from available amino acids. Imagine your muscles as a construction site. Leucine arrives as the foreman, rallying workers to repair damage from exercise or daily wear, preventing breakdown and promoting growth. Without enough leucine, this process slows, leading to weaker recovery, potential muscle loss over time, and even fluctuations in energy levels, since it also helps regulate blood sugar by stimulating insulin release. In deeper terms, leucine influences gene expression in cells, encouraging them to prioritize protein synthesis over storage of excess energy as fat. This mechanism explains why people might experience stalled progress in fitness goals or feel persistently fatigued if their diet lacks sufficient leucine-rich foods. It's a subtle internal challenge where the body struggles to maintain balance amid modern demands, like irregular eating patterns or calorie-restricted diets. Diving further into the science, research consistently shows leucine's profound impact on muscle health, backed by studies from institutions like the National Institutes of Health. For instance, it not only aids in wound healing by supporting tissue repair, but also contributes to brain function through its role in neurotransmitter production, potentially easing mental fog that accompanies physical exhaustion. Historically, leucine was first discovered in 1819 by French chemist Louis-Joseph Proust while studying cheese, and isolated from muscle fibers a year later by Henri Breconat, marking an early milestone in biochemistry. This ties into cultural narratives around food. In Mediterranean traditions, leucine abounds in feta and olives paired with fish, fostering communal strength. In Asian cuisines, it's found in tofu and edamame, symbolizing harmony between body and nature. Today, in Western fitness culture, leucine supplements have become a billion-dollar industry, appealing to athletes and weekend warriors alike, though whole foods remain the gold standard for absorption and overall nutrition. Its effects ripple into daily life. Imagine a busy parent sustaining energy for evening playtime, or an office worker avoiding the afternoon slump by incorporating leucine-packed snacks. Yet in plant-based communities, there's a growing awareness of combining sources like beans and rice to optimize leucine intake, addressing potential shortfalls that could lead to reduced muscle maintenance or slower metabolic function. Scientifically, consensus points to leucine's benefits in preserving lean mass during weight loss, improving athletic performance, and even supporting immune responses by fueling white blood cells. However, while leucine offers many advantages, it's always prudent to consult a healthcare professional before altering your diet significantly, especially if you have underlying conditions. The turning point comes when we recognize that incorporating leucine isn't about drastic overhauls, but simple, consistent shifts. Start by weaving more leucine-rich foods into your meals. Lean meats like chicken or turkey provide ample amounts, as do dairy products such as yogurt and cheese for those who tolerate them. For vegetarians, turn to soybeans, lentils, chickpeas, and nuts like almonds or peanuts, aiming for about 2 to 3 grams per meal to trigger that muscle-building response. Pair this with regular movement, whether it's a brisk walk, weight training, or yoga, to amplify leucine's effects, as exercise creates the demand for repair. Mindset plays a role too. View food as fuel rather than restriction, fostering a sustainable approach that avoids burnout. Consistency here is key. Small daily habits like adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your salad or choosing eggs for breakfast build up over time, leading to noticeable improvements in strength, recovery, and vitality. In summary, leucine empowers us by bridging our biological needs with the realities of modern living, turning everyday choices into tools for better health. It's a reminder that our bodies are resilient, capable of thriving when given the right support. What has been your experience with adding more protein to your routine? Has it made a difference in how you feel?